Hi, I'm John Prendergast, co-founder and CEO of Blueleaf. In this video, I'd like to show you more of the information available on Blueleaf. Let's look at allocation and holdings. First, let's look at what you own, or asset allocation. We'll select it on the top menu, and as always, Blueleaf remembers the accounts you've selected on the left. The first page shows you high-level asset classes: stocks, bonds, cash, and other, which would include things like real estate and commodities. Advisors will note that this is a little less granular view than Blueleaf Advisor shows in allocation monitoring. Looking at the page, it's easy to see how holdings contribute to the exposure of each asset class. And while it's a little less obvious, you can also see how, using Lipper data and SEC filings, we're breaking apart the mutual funds and ETFs and showing the real exposure based on the actual holdings within each fund. It's why in this example, you'll see Fidelity High Income Fund with almost $115,000 in exposure bonds, but it is also shown having $1,100 in equity exposure and $2,800 in cash. It's in all three categories because that's what the fund owns. Blueleaf also gives similar information for sectors and for companies. Both of those are great for simply understanding what you own and understanding what is driving exposure to asset classes and companies. If you'd like to understand a little more about any of the securities on the system, we can select Holdings at the top. It's a very simple view that shows you the quantity and value of everything in the system. But there's something powerful and rich lurking just under the surface: the Blueleaf ribbon. See, we wanted to keep Blueleaf very simple and usable, but we know many of you want more information. The Blueleaf ribbon is how we solve that problem. If you'd like more information on any holding, just click on its ticker symbol, and we'll open a rich vein of information at Morningstar. But we didn't just push you to Morningstar. You've taken Blueleaf with you. See at the top of the screen? That is the Blueleaf ribbon. You can explore the information about the holding you're interested in on Morningstar, and the ribbon looks over your shoulder, making sure everything's okay. If you'd like to look at something else in the portfolio, we've brought the whole thing with you right in the ribbon. Find it in the drop-down, click, and you're on to more and deeper information about that new holding. When you're done, click on the Blueleaf logo in the top left of the screen, and you land back in Blueleaf. And that is Blueleaf. Simple, innovative, powerful, and always up to date. Dead simple client reporting and portfolio monitoring from Blueleaf.